Hey guys, it's Amut from All Computers Go, based in Chester, New Jersey. Now, do you see right behind me, above my head, do you see what that is? That, my friend, is the cloud. But it's just one cloud. But when we're talking about the cloud, what are we talking about? The cloud is actually not in the clouds. It's not even up. I know sometimes I point up. But the cloud is essentially, it's a computer somewhere. And it's a computer that's backed up and synchronized among other computers. That's really what the cloud is, all right? And cloud technology is essentially technology that'll keep you in business even if your local connections go down. So, what do you guys think the cloud is? That's what I think it is. Hey guys, so before I tell you what the cloud is, I want to tell you what the cloud is not. The cloud is not a place where celebrities have indecent pictures of themselves. That's called iCloud. I'm just kidding. A lot of people know about the iCloud incident that happened probably like 5 years ago at this point. And a lot of my clients have always kind of like told me like, we don't want to be on the cloud. So what is the cloud? Is it a complete privacy invasion? Well, it could be, because anything that goes in the cloud should be protected. But whenever you put something on the cloud, you're technically putting it on somebody else's computer. And when it comes to privacy, there's always that risk of prying eyes. We've heard about all the issues with Facebook and all these other companies right now that are making a lot of money off of our details. And the cloud is one that you need to be very careful of. When you put your own data in a folder on the cloud, that's still technically your data. But when you create data, like on a Facebook account, then there's a question as to who actually owns that data. Is it you, or is it the cloud provider? So cloud's actually kind of complex, because it isn't just one thing, but it uses the internet to connect places where you can store data, where you can do distributed computing. So for example, if we use a program called WebRoot antivirus, and WebRoot's very fast, if you've noticed it running on a computer. The reason it's so fast is none of the processing is being done on your computer. All the processing is being outlaid to the cloud server. So cloud computing is very interesting, because you could take something that's normally just on one computer and break it out. Put the storage over there, put the processing over there, and then replicate it. So the cloud's interesting because it is very powerful, but because it's so powerful, you need to be that much more careful with the way you put your data on the cloud. You can't just, and the other problem is, when you're in your computer, you're in front of it, you walk away, you lock it. On the cloud, it's on there, it's 24/7. So you really need to make sure that you put it in a secure way in the cloud so that only you can get to it. Thank you. Some more clouds. Look at that cloud. How about that cloud?